Hi soulmates, welcome to a quick and fast way to make a flounce without much calculation. So guys, I'm going to cut 4 pieces. So we are cutting both the lining and the main fabric together for the 2 sleeves. So I have my fabric, I fold it into 4. Yeah, so if you are cutting both the lining, because flounce is good for you to turn it with the exact fabric. Now I now went ahead to rule a line at the middle point, that is the middle of my fabric. Then after that, on that middle line, I still shear it into 2. That is what you see me doing. So you have to shear it into 2 so that we can get the midpoint. So after that, guys, you're now going to determine the height of your flounce. So I'll be using 4 inches, guys. Now on this middle line that you see me mark, I'm going to shear the 4 inches into 2, so we have 2 inches on both sides. Yeah, then from that 2 inches, I'm now going to be marking the height of the flounce for 4 inches. I'll come up on the 2 inches on this other side, and I'll also mark for 4 inches. Yeah, so that is what I'm going to be marking. Then we'll now start forming our flounce now. So I'm just trying to explain what I did. Then I'm also using my chalk to thicken the lines. So from that middle line where you see my tape touching, I came out by 2. Yeah, that is still half of my flounce. Then I'll connect the first 2 to that one I came out, and I'll connect it to the other 2 inches. I hope you understand. So just connect it like that, and that is it. So from there, we now start connecting it to all the 4 inches that will mark. Can you see? You connect it to the first 4 inches, then from there you start marking it round 4 inches. So for me to have a very good curve, I'm going to come out on that side by 4 inches. Can you see it? Then I'll take it to the next 4 inches. So pardon me guys, it was just a quick mistake there. I'm going to correct it. So yeah, that is what I'm saying. It's supposed to be on the 4 inches. So from that first 4 inches, you connect it to the other one. Yes, then you take it to another 4 inches. So you keep using your chalk to mark for 4 inches all round. Can you see all the first connections? That is how you are going to do it, so that you can have a very good curve. You keep using your tape to mark 4 inches all round until you get to the last 4 inches. Can you see that? It is very, very simple. There is no much calculation. There's nothing that will scatter your brain. This is just easy. So you keep going round, you keep going round. So mates, for those of you that are watching my channel for the first time, you're welcome, and kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. And to my existing subscribers, you're also welcome. Thank you guys for being with me all this while. So that is the last 4 inches. Yeah, so if you want a very long flounce, it depends on your fabric, but this fabric is what is left of the dress I make for the client, so I'm using this for the flounce. So I'm just using my chalk to just thicken the lines so you guys can see it properly. I know you can see it, but I'm just doing that. Now we are going to be cutting. So do you understand? If you did not understand, go back and watch how we are forming our flounce. Now let's start cutting. So you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut from that place you see me cutting. Cut from there also. Yeah, so cut from there. Don't cut from this last line here. Yeah, just cut from under. you cut like that, then you cut this way, and you continue cutting. You're going to continue cutting. So I went back to the other line so that I can cut off the fabric that we don't need. Yeah, can you see it? So you keep following your curve line to cut. You keep following your curve line to cut. So when you get to the last part here, you're just going to give it any shape you want. You can cut it like that, or you can just decide to cut off that curve. Yeah, so you have a very good flounce. Now your flounce is ready. So like I said, we have 4 pieces. Yeah, so lining for each. Now you're going to take your crinoline, you're going to gum this with paper gum so that it can have structure, and you're going to now turn it with your crinoline nets. Yeah, I know we all know crinoline or crinoline, anyhow you can call it, and that way your flounce is ready. You can now fix it on your blouse, your top. Thank you guys, bye.